Hi loves, good morning. Since I moved into this country, I have been trying to adjust my life. Like I've been trying to manage things because I am no longer used to a tiny room. You and the tripod can't fit in for you to get that natural light. So it's really a struggle for me, but that's not the point of this video. But yeah, this video is all about installation. Like this is my second time installing. I have lectures by 11 and this should be 9, but yesterday night I slept really late. I slept around almost 3. I think I would have been loosening up this hair while I'm talking garbage. So yesterday night I had to do washing, and after the washing I had to blow dry. I combed, blow drying, hot combing the hair and putting product on it to get it ready for the braiding that I'll do this morning. This is the hair that we are installing. So I got this hair from Bliss Queen Hairs, Nigerian shop, from Instagram. I usually go with the old one because I wear closure a lot. I'm going with got to be glued resistant glue. You can go with spray, but I'm gonna blend in the two. Got no time for shenanigans or anything that will take my time. So I'm going to use the tail end of the comb to take it back. Although it's still white a bit, but it's already tacky. I need to make sure that it's lapping on my head. So I still go and I make it tight, like very tight, but just be careful so you don't give yourself a headache. The front towel was bleached to red, and I'm going to bleach it back to a shade darker than me. The frontal is not exactly pre-plucked. I start pushing everything to the back with the wax stick to help you get the hairs out of the way when you're doing your installation. I'm sure this must have glued. I first of all put on the hair and measure my hair lines. It's actually almost 11, time for my lectures. I'm going to pause here and get ready for class. So I'm just coming back from lectures. This is one chaotic hair installation, like done with my breakfast. Going to continue with the installation. Because I've gone over it with this much, so I don't want to have much white stuff on my hair. I'm going to go with the spray instead. And I'm going to allow it to be tacky. So this hair needs pre-plucking, so this is it's a hassle. I use bonding and the tail of the comb to do the finishing touches. I'm going to dry that down. So to melt down the lace, in as much as there's not much, I can't even see the lace. There is a lot of hairs in front. I need to pre-pluck. So I'll do this pre-plucking later. I don't even know if I'm posting this video. I feel like I'll delete it. To melt it down, just to make the lace to disappear. I'm going to pre-pluck. This hair doesn't feel good at all. In fact, I made up my mind not to upload this video, but I decided to cut it short so that, okay, yeah, I uploaded something so that I'll share with you guys challenges that people go through when they're installing hair for the first time, or even for the 100th time. Sometimes it doesn't go well. Most times it's the type of hair, the hair you have. If it's not pre-plucked, it's going to give you extra work. If it's not pre-bleached, it's going to give you extra work. I'm going to use spirits. So put that in a cotton pad and then use it to clean off any white stuff that is on my hair. So after all the chaos, this is what we've got. I'm going to take my bath. Like, this was stressful. The first one I did wasn't stressful at all. It was pre-plucked, so it made it so much easier. And the frontal as well was a very nice one. It had its own pattern, but it is a frontal that can go any angle you put it. So I was able to create my own pattern. But this one, trying to create my pattern, I am struggling with it because the frontal seems to be facing one direction and you have to press really down. Like, I don't feel satisfied with this hair, but I'm going to see you next time. Bye. So this is the next day and my hair is already out. I was able to rock it. I even took some pictures. I went to Little Korea. It's a very lovely restaurant. I don't know why I don't really vlog when I go out. For the fact that the hair wasn't pre-plucked, I haven't dealt with hair that is not pre-plucked before. So it was a hassle. And this morning I had to do a little pre-plucking, but I am not even done. I have a lot of things to do because I have night shifts this night and I need to go to the gym and I need to make some editings and all. So I just decided I pre-plucked and it was a bogus work and I decided to abandon it. Going back to installing this one, I installed before, but I did not share it here. It was pre-plucked. It was really, really easy. That was it. I was trying to install hair and it became a disaster.